Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the EAT04, or I believe the copy of the FEIU03. I'm not sure on that, I will have to check that during editing, and if not I will link it somewhere. This is just a super quick video to show those that want to get into the car how to get this top shell off. It's actually a relatively easy task, but you don't want to have to undo 4,000 screws to find out how to do it. So I will show you. I'll use my electric screwdriver to make it quicker. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the car over, and you have these two here. Then you need to disconnect this bar here from the shell, and that is a smaller Allen key. I believe it's this one. Let's see. It's supposed to be. Come on. Okay, let's try the other side, and then I'll have to get a normal Allen key. No. Doesn't want to know. Unbelievable. The one that was attached to it did in fact work. Oh. The screws that are at the sides are these diddy ones, so make sure you differentiate between the rest of them. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, that comes off, and da-da-da-da, voila! Now, for those that are a little bit unsure of what just happened, this one, the on-off switch, where'd it go? Come in. Should be stuck here, like so. Okay, however mine fell off and I've not stuck it back, because if it's still connected, as you can see, you don't have much room there. You've got to disconnect this, and then that gives you about that much room, but mine fell off, and now as you can see, get loads of room. So I haven't bothered to put it back on. Why would I? So that's it. It's that simple to get into the gubbins of your EAT04 FEIU, because I can't remember which one it is. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Catch you next time. Take care. Bye bye.